Okay, lastly, we have question 10 about trigonometry. Show that cos theta times this is equivalent to sin theta plus 2 over sin theta. Okay, so for proving this out, let's first do this. Cos theta times 3 tan theta plus 2 over tan theta. Okay, let's take the left hand side when we need to prove it to the right hand side. Okay, let's simplify this. What we do normally, what should we do is to change first the tan theta into sine over cos theta. So we get cos theta times 3 sine theta over cos theta plus 2 over sine theta over cos theta let's simplify this first. It will be the same, shifting this sine theta over cos theta into the numerator. It will give you cos theta over sine theta. So 2 times cos theta over sine theta. So taking the common denominator, sine theta, cos theta, 3 sine theta plus cos theta sine, okay, 3 sine square theta, because cos theta, cos theta, we are taking sine theta cos theta as the common, so we will be multiplying, like making the common denominator, so multiplying and dividing the numerator and denominator by sine theta, so it will become sine square theta, and sine theta cos theta times it will become 2 cos square theta. So cos theta got cancelled. We will be left with 3 sine square theta plus 2 cos square theta. Okay, so the thing is, we have the right hand side all in sine theta, so let's try and change everything into cos sine theta. So we have now left with 3 sine square theta plus 2 cos square theta over sine theta. We know, what do we know, that 1 plus, cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sine square theta. From where we get this? From the formula sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So, okay, what we had done with this, okay, 3 sine square theta. So when we take these formulas, what we will be getting equals to 3 sine square theta plus 2 1 minus sine square theta over sine theta. So we will be getting it 3 sine square theta plus 2 minus 2 sine square theta. Over sine theta. So what do we do? 3 sine square theta minus 2 sine square theta. Sorry, I'm not cancelling them, just taking them, like making it into your consideration. The 3 minus 2 will be 1 sine square theta. So it will be sine square theta plus 2 over sine theta. So it will give you sine theta if you distribute the denominator. So sine square theta over sine theta would be sine theta plus 2 over sine theta. So this is what we needed to prove. Okay, this is the first part, part A. Then we have part B. We have the range from 0 to, like, now they change theta to x, and they say the same left hand side is equals to 4 sine x minus 5. So we need to find, like, we need to solve this. So when we have this, as we already proved it equals to this, so we can use this to be equals to 4 sine x minus 5 and solve it out to find the x. So we will be having 4 sine x minus 5 to be equals to sine x plus 2 over sine x equals to 4 sine x minus 5. Okay, we put this equals and now solve it. Multiply the whole equation by sine x, as this is in the denominator. We'll get it to be sine square x plus 2 equals 4 sine square x minus 5 sine x. Then 4 sine square minus sine square gives you 3 sine square x minus 5 sine x minus 2 equals 0. So we will be getting this as equation in, like, quadratic in sign. Okay, as we have the power 2 in the first, then the half the power here in the constant term, so it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. But if still it's not like obvious to you, you can use sine square sine x equals to a, substitute it back, so you get a clear picture of a quadratic equation. So 3a square minus 5a minus 2 equals 0. So solve this quadratic equation. 3 times 2 is 6. So minus 3a plus 2a. No. It seems it won't be solved by this method. 3 2 times 6. 6 and 1. Yeah, I guess so. The two factors that it could be split it up. You can use quadratic formula if it seems to you that it is not it could not be done by breaking the middle term, so then you can use the quadratic formula. But I think so it is possible. Minus 6a plus a will give you minus 5a, and when multiplied will give you minus 6a square. So I got this minus 2 equals 0. So taking 3a to be common, a minus 2 plus 1, a minus 2 equals 0. So it gives you to be 3a plus 1 times a minus 2 equals 0. So this will give you a equals to be minus 1 over 3, or a equals to 2. Now putting back sine x over here, sine x is either equals to minus 1 over 3 or sine x equals to 2. So as we know that sine x cannot go far from like not above 2. The maximum value for the sine is 1, so we'll reject this. Now let's take this to find out the angles. First we find the basic angle. Let's call it to be alpha. Okay, so alpha is going to be equals to sine inverse of 1/3. We are just taking the number without like taking into account the sine, because sine just tells you about in which quadrant this angle is going to lie. So what is sine inverse of 1/3? 0.3398. Make sure your calculator is in radian mod, because your range is given to be from x less than 2 pi greater than 0. Okay, between 0 and 2 pi. So let's look into the angles. We have this sign negative. Okay, so where is our negative sign? ASTC, here in this quadrant and in this quadrant. So, and where do our basic angle lies? Our basic angle always lies with the x-axis. So what is going to be your first angle? Your first angle is going to be, as always, from the positive x-axis. Okay, this one is your first angle. So this is pi plus alpha. Okay, this is your second angle, and this is 2 pi minus alpha. Okay, so what is it's going to be? Your final angle x will be equals to, what is pi plus alpha? Pi plus 0.3398. And 2 pi minus 0.3398. So 3.4814 and 2 pi okay, just subtract minus 2 pi will give you 5.9433. Okay, so these are your two solutions. We are not going to take this angle. Why? Because sine is not positive, so we are not going to take the first angle, just these two angles. So these are the two solutions. Okay, giving your answer to 3 significant figures. So up to 3 significant figures, it is going to be 3.48 and 5.94. So 3.48 and 5.94. Okay, that's all about your question 10. This is your whole paper. I hope you like these videos and you understand all the questions clearly. For any queries, any suggestions, please write us in the comment box. If you have any questions, if there is any mistake or anything you want to suggest, or the papers you want to be solved for you, so please comment us in the comment box. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.